So, hey everyone, it's Memorial Day weekend here, and I gotta say, it's been a really busy weekend. This is gonna be a pretty short vlog. Just wanted to show you around the events going on this weekend. So, basically, Memorial Day weekend is kind of the unofficial start of summer here in Prescott. So, this weekend, as with every Memorial Day past for many years, the Phippen Art Show has been going on. So, you're gonna see some clips from the Phippen Art Show. Yesterday, I actually spent a good part of the day down at the Phippen Art Show. I was helping out a friend who had a family emergency, and they were actually showing at the show. So I watched over their booth from like 9 o'clock in the morning through 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm glad to help out. And the rest of this weekend has just been beautiful. We've had some crazy winds on Saturday, today on Sunday, not bad. Tomorrow's looking pretty good as well. So today, since the winds weren't too bad, I took the opportunity to go out with the drone, my Mavic Pro, and fly around the Dells a little, get a little bit of the lake, get some of the park, just showing off the scenery. So I thought you might have a little fun following along and watching some clips of some pretty things going on. But so now that the summer season is upon us, um, almost every weekend there's going to be something going on the square. There's always something going on at Watson and Willow Lake and at Lynx Lake and at Goldwater Lake. Um, so people are coming up here to get out of the heat from Phoenix, and folks are just passing through the area. And if you get a chance, come on up this summer. It's absolutely gorgeous this weekend. Of course, we're all hoping for monsoons in the near future because we're in a major drought here, and that's saying something for a desert state. So, fingers crossed for some awesome monsoonal clouds coming up this year, which I'll share with you, and fingers crossed for some extra water to the region. All right, with that, I'm going to let you go, let you see some of the sights and scenes from this weekend, and I hope you had an amazing Memorial Day weekend as well. And next week, we'll be catching up with all the work that's going on. There's a lot of projects happening and some pretty exciting stuff going on. All right, we'll see you in the next post.